Stop scrolling and look at these numbers. 9.3 million. 3.4 million views on Simple. That sleeping ice cream fox? This waking koala? The cute 3D fantasy niche is an absolute cheat code right now. Viewers are addicted to these oddly satisfying Pixar-style AI animations. The crazy part? You need zero 3D skills to make them. Today, I'm exposing the exact free workflow to generate these viral start. Ready to build a massive channel? Drop a like, subscribe, and let's get to work. Let's kick off the process. First, grab the master template file from the link pinned in the video description. Copy the entire raw text, feed it directly into ChatGPT, and hit the generate button right away. In an instant, the AI will map out 10 completely unique aesthetic concepts for you. Feel free to explore any path, but for this specific episode, we are rolling with option number 3 to guarantee maximum viral engagement. Look at this structured layout. ChatGPT effortlessly delivers 2 distinct image generations, along with one precise, cinematic motion prompt designed for flawless transitions. Now let's fire up Flow AI and click on Create with Flow. Time for the layout configuration. Select Image Mode, scale the dimensions to the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio, and set the generation batch to ×4. This deploys 4 diverse render options at once, giving you the best choice without burning extra credits. Quickly flip back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, and drop it into the prompt field on Flow AI. Hit render, give the system a few brief moments, and boom, 4 spectacular design variants are right there, fully prepared for the next stage. The system has deployed our 4 render options. It's time to curate fast. Instantly purge the 3 deviations that don't make the cut, anchoring only the single best winning asset for our sequence. Quickly navigate back to ChatGPT and secure image prompt 2. Now, execute the critical synchronization move. Drag your winning frame directly into the style slot. This forces the AI to strictly duplicate that exact aesthetic DNA into the next generated piece. Paste prompt 2 into Flow, hit the generation trigger, and let the model process. Within moments, the rendering engine delivers 4 fresh, perfectly matching visual alternatives. Repeat the filtration process once more. Eliminate the 3 weaker shots and preserve only the masterpiece. Boom, your flawless starting and ending visual anchors are now finalized and locked. It's time to activate the morphing protocol. Shift your workspace configuration from image over to video, then select frames. We've reached the final transformation stage. Drag your primary image and lock it into the start frame box. Then, take your secondary perfectly matched image and drop it into the end frame slot. This establishes the exact visual bridge the AI will use to animate your sequence. Head back to ChatGPT one last time to copy the optimized video motion prompt. Paste this command directly into the motion engine on Flow AI, and fire the generation sequence. Give the rendering engine a few short moments to weave the frames together.